convenience. The key benefit of Dahle's personal rolling trimmers design. It's quicker and more accurate than other forms of cutting paper, with better results. Whether you're trimming paper or cropping photographs, you'll find your task is now easier than ever with Dahle. The Personal Series is the smallest of Dahle's rolling trimmers. It's also lightweight and portable enough to be taken anywhere. But don't confuse size with ability. This trimmer features a self-sharpening cutting system, which means you don't need to worry about replacing dull or worn blades. This system sharpens as you cut to maintain a perfectly honed edge. This precision graduated edge will remove even the tiniest sliver of paper and produce a clean, burr-free cut each and every time. Holding your work securely is also no longer necessary. The integrated automatic clamping system provides even pressure and prevents your work from shifting. For durability, this German-engineered trimmer features a sturdy metal base. It also provides a solid foundation for trimming up to 7 sheets of paper at a time. For measuring, the base contains carefully screened guides to help align your cuts. The guides indicate inch and metric measurements for all your trimming needs. Available in 12.5 and 18-inch cutting lengths, Dahle's personal rolling trimmers combine the precision you need with the convenience of portability. So, if you're looking for a lightweight trimmer with guaranteed results, Dahle's personal rolling trimmers are a cut above the rest. Dahle rolling trimmers, exceeding even the most serious demands for accuracy.